Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Honifee is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions available on the market today, designed to tackle a wide array of household messes with ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maintain a spotless living environment without resorting to harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, ensuring a safe and pleasant atmosphere for your family and pets. Number 5. Dude Wipes Unscented Flushable Wipes, 6-pack. Experience a refreshingly clean feel with our unscented flushable wipes. They are designed to be gentle on your skin, making them perfect for everyday use. These extra-large wipes provide a superior clean with every use. Their generous size ensures you get the coverage you need for ultimate freshness. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, our wipes are infused with vitamin E and aloe. They help to soothe and moisturize, leaving your skin feeling comfortable. Worry-free disposal is here. These wipes are septic and sewer safe, so you can flush them with confidence without harming your plumbing. Get more of what you love with our convenient 6-pack. This bulk option ensures you'll always have these essential wipes on hand for lasting freshness. What we like. These wipes are extra large and unscented, making them ideal for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective cleaning solution for personal hygiene, especially if you have sensitive skin or prefer fragrance-free products, these are a great choice. They are also septic and sewer safe, offering peace of mind. What people say. They're extra large compared to standard wipes, which makes them more effective and reduces how many you need to use each time. The material feels strong and doesn't tear easily, even with regular use. The added aloe and vitamin E make them feel more gentle and comfortable to use. They stay moist in the package and are easy to pull out without clumping or ripping. These have made a noticeable difference. Help get everything clean when regular toilet paper isn't enough. Gentle on skin, no irritation issues so far. Good size and durability, don't fall apart. Number 4. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Introducing the Pink Stuff, a revolutionary cleaning paste that tackles dirt and grime with ease. Its unique formula works wonders on all your surfaces. Transform your kitchen into a spotless sanctuary. This all-purpose cleaner cuts through grease and food stains, leaving your countertops and stovetops gleaming. Say goodbye to stubborn soap scum and watermarks. It effortlessly restores the shine to your bathroom tiles, sinks, and fixtures. But its power doesn't stop there. Use it on a variety of surfaces around your home for a truly all-purpose clean. It's the only cleaner you'll need. Experience the miracle of the Pink Stuff. Achieve a deep, effective clean with minimal effort. Get ready to be amazed by its incredible results. What we like. This miracle cleaning paste is incredibly versatile and tough on grime. If you're dealing with stubborn stains in the kitchen or bathroom, or just need a powerful all-purpose cleaner that smells great, this is the product for you. It's perfect for tackling baked-on food and soap scum with minimal effort. What people say. Cleaned my glass stove top with little effort on burnt-on food. Cleans copper bottom pans nicely. Took soap scum off of the shower walls, leaving them smooth and clean. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. Extremely effective on tough dirt and scuffs. Easy to use with minimal scrubbing. Didn't damage the materials or colors. Fast results with little effort. Number 3. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with our premium microfiber cloths. Designed for superior performance, they make every surface sparkle. These cloths are incredibly absorbent, perfect for tackling spills and messes. Their fine fibers trap dirt and grime effectively, leaving surfaces streak-free. Experience a gentle touch that's tough on dirt. They are safe for all your delicate surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean without scratches. From kitchens to bathrooms and even cars, these cloths are your go-to for any cleaning job. They handle dusting, wiping, and polishing with ease. Invest in cleaning tools that last. Our microfiber cloths are built for durability, maintaining their effectiveness wash after wash. Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 12 cloths. You'll always have a fresh one ready when you need it. What we like. These microfiber cloths are highly absorbent and leave a streak-free finish. If you want a reliable cloth for dusting, polishing, or general cleaning without leaving lint behind, these are an excellent option. They are perfect for cleaning windows, mirrors, and delicate surfaces, and they are reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice. What people say. These cloths are excellent for cleaning. I appreciate how well they hold moisture and how easy it is to squeeze out extra moisture. They are thick, easy to use and clean well. I do not notice any lint left behind when I use these. I'm amazed not one streak. First and second picks are inside top half of my French doors. Third pick is inside my front door looking out. The haze is my outside white door screen to keep put bigs. Fourth picture is my door open. As you can see, no streaks and only sprayed gently once inside glass and outside. These microfiber rags are amazing. I did my bathroom and over my kitchen sink mirrors and could not believe how clean with no streaks. These microfiber cloths are fantastic. I use them, wash them, and reuse them on repeat and they hold up beautifully. The material is high quality, they clean really well, and the colors stay bright even after multiple washes. Number 2. Finish Dishwasher Cleaner Liquid. Tired of hidden grease and limescale buildup in your dishwasher? Our powerful cleaner penetrates deep to remove tough grime, leaving your machine sparkling clean. Don't let unpleasant smells linger. This formula actively fights odors, ensuring your dishwasher always smells fresh and clean after every use. Keep your dishwasher running at its best. Regular use helps maintain optimal performance, ensuring your dishes come out perfectly clean every time. Get a 3-month supply with just one bottle. This convenient solution provides long-lasting cleaning power to keep your dishwasher in top condition. Simply place one bottle in your dishwasher's bottom rack and run a hot cycle. It's an effortless way to achieve a deeper clean. Experience the difference a truly clean dishwasher makes. Enjoy spotless dishes and a fresh-smelling appliance with this effective cleaner. What we like. This liquid cleaner provides a deep clean for your dishwasher, tackling hidden grease and limescale. If you're experiencing odors or noticing your dishwasher isn't cleaning as effectively as it used to, this product is designed to help. It's perfect for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean. What people say. The Honifee cleaning products are highly effective at tackling tough grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. I was impressed by the gentle yet powerful formula of the Honifee all-purpose cleaner, which worked wonders on various surfaces without causing any damage. The innovative spray bottle design of the Honifee glass cleaner ensures an even mist distribution, resulting in a streak-free shine every time. Number 1. Baseboard Buddy Cleaning Tool. Introducing the Baseboard Buddy, the ultimate solution for a spotless home. It makes cleaning baseboards, moldings, and trim easier than ever before. Say goodbye to bending and straining. The extendable handle reaches up to 4 feet, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny without discomfort. Its flexible head and 360-degree swivel action adapt to any surface, ensuring a thorough clean from every angle. Cleaning your walls and moldings has never been simpler. This versatile tool works wonders whether used wet or dry. The textured pads effectively trap and lock away dust, dirt, and grime from various surfaces. Each set includes 3 reusable microfiber pads that are washable and designed for long-lasting use. Simply rinse and reuse for an efficient and eco-friendly cleaning experience. What we like. This cleaning tool is lightweight and designed to reach high and low areas with ease, trapping dirt and dust effectively. If you struggle with cleaning baseboards, moldings, or walls without bending or straining, this is the perfect solution. Its gliding action and reusable pads make it ideal for quick and efficient home cleaning. What people say. The Honifee cleaning products are highly effective at tackling tough grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. I was impressed by the pleasant, natural scent of the Honifee all-purpose cleaner, which is a refreshing change from harsh chemical smells. The spray bottle design of the Honifee glass cleaner is ergonomic and dispenses a fine mist for even coverage without streaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.